Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to install MovieBox Pro on Roku TV. So let's start. So I'm following these tips that I found on Reddit. So you have to enable the device settings on Roku like the link says with your remote. Then go download the zip file from MVP site. Then in the address bar on your computer, tap the IP address of your Roku. You are attempting to install it. EP should be listed within Roku menu, then upload the zip with the installer. It should say installer on the top. So that is what you can do it. You can go to this link. So let's go to this link and you will here how you can activate developer mode on Roku. So you can see here step by step how you can do it, guys. So that is how you can install the MovieBox Pro on Roku TV. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.